We're continuing our series on auto accidents with Catherine Stone from Barbas Law. And Catherine, today we are talking car seats. Yes, I'm one of those moms that has the baby on board thing right in the window in the rear there. So, I mean, break it down. Obviously, it's a little more tense when you've got a little one in the car.
Yes, it is. And I thought in putting, our segments today together, I thought, let me do something to include Natalie and make sure that she's aware driving that little baby around.
Well, I appreciate that very much. And it's kind of interesting, though, because you're talking about car seats post-accident,
Correct.
if you will.
So the National Highway Safety Department actually has set forth some recommendations as to when a car seat should be replaced after an auto accident. And so anytime a client comes in and we know that they have small children, one of the first questions I ask is, was the car seat in the accident?
Not the child. You're asking the car seat.
I'm talking about just the car seat. So let's say your child wasn't even in the car. You've already dropped them off at daycare or wherever it may be, and then you're involved in an auto accident. I still want to know from a property damage standpoint, what do we need to include as part of our claim? And one of those things that I always look at is car seats. So according to the National Highway Safety Department, if it's a minor accident, which is you can drive the vehicle away from the accident, your airbags did not deploy, your car did not sustain property damage on the side where the car seat is located, then they don't recommend that you have to replace the car seat, even if there's no visible damage. Now, for a major accident where you cannot drive the vehicle away from the accident scene, the airbags have deployed, the property damage is on the same side as where the car seat was located, even if there's no visible damage, or if there's visible damage to the car seat, then they recommend that it be replaced. And what a lot of insurance companies have in their policy is a car seat replacement section where they talk about they will replace the car seat. And what's interesting is, let's say, and you'll understand this as your baby gets older, as we were just talking about moving up to the next car seat. Let's say the accident happens right around the time your child is about to go from, rear facing to forward facing, but you're not quite there yet. But within the next month you're going to be there. They will pay for you to replace that with a convertible, because a convertible car seat, or if you're at that point you need the forward facing, that you don't have to get this exact same type of car seat.
Well, and I hope this isn't a curveball, but I'm curious. We've got one of those car seats with the base. So we've got like the infant carrier and the base. Is the base under the same kind of restrictions?
It's all connected together.
Okay.
So a car seat and its equipment is all considered the same thing.
I wouldn't have thought about that, again, especially
because of the locking mechanism, I would assume. And again, I'm not a car seat expert, but
I was going to say, but you know what? She is our legal expert. While she might not be a car seat expert, she is a legal expert, and she can help you too with any questions you possibly have. All you have to do is give 1-800-BARBAS-LAW a call, or go to barbaslaw.com/knowyourrights. We want to take